Hello LeetCoders, today in this video we are going to solve this problem, top k frequent elements, the most tricky problem, and this is also the medium problem. Let's look at the problem statement. Given an integer array nums and an integer k, return the k most frequent elements. You may return the answer in any order. This problem means that we have an array which have different elements, and also we have given the k, the value of k. We will return the values which are most frequently occurring in our array, and the size of output array should be this. That's why they have given us the value of k. So let's look at this example. We have 1 1 1 2 2 and 3. As we can see, 1 and 2 are most frequently occurring in our array, and the value of k is 2. That's why these two elements are occurring more in our array. So the answer is 1 and 2. And output array, the answer could be 2 and 1, because they have mentioned that the answer could be in any order. So in this example, the array has only one element, and as we know that this is occurring more, and also the required elements are 1, and they have returned it like this.
Alright, so this problem is pretty simple, but it's tricky. How we will be solving this problem? We will be mapping the counts of these elements on the indices of our dictionary. What does it mean? If we have a value which occurs 3 times, we will put it right here under this index 3. Here we have 1. Then we will count the occurrence of other element like 2. 2 occurs 2 times, we will put it here. And then we will count the occurrence of 3. 3 occurs 1 time, we will put it here inside a list. If we have a value which is occurring again 3 times, then we will, let's say we have 4 right here. 4, 4 and 4. Means I'm extending this array to this. Then we will also put this 4 right here. After that, we will be traversing from this end of our array, and we will pick top k elements, top 2 elements from our array, which will be occurring more frequently in our this nums array. Also, one another thing, we have created this dictionary up to this length 6. Why? Because the length of our nums is also 6. So that's why we will be creating the length exactly the same as our input array. So I'm going to traverse from this end, this, and this is empty, this and this is empty, and this and this is also empty. And we will pick top k elements, top 2 elements. So these 2 elements are more frequently occurring in our dictionary, so that's why we will return this, and this will be the answer. But if we look at this example, in this example we don't have these 3 values, so we will be going back to our original example. In this example we have these 2 values which are occurring more frequently. First of all, I will return this, and I will be creating a response array. I will pass this one to our this array, and again I will go back here. Also, I will be checking the length of this response. If this is increasing and passing over this, then we will return this. So the length of our response is less than k, then we can go further. After that, I will put 2 here. Then I will check the length of this response with k. If this is equal, then I will return my response. Otherwise, I will go in reverse order till the end of our array. So let's see the answer. This will be the answer of our solution. Yeah, so 1 and 2. This is the exact solution of this problem. Alright, so let's look at the code. First of all, we will create a dictionary called count. It will be like this. After that, we will be creating a frequency list of lists. I'm telling you why we are doing this. Because for each location we will need a list. If one value occurs more than once, then we will store it in our sublist. That's why. For I in range of len nums count these map. Now we will be mapping these numbers on our count dictionary. So the function 1 plus count.get n or 0. This is the function which is used to pass a default value when this value is not available, right? After that we will be passing through the items of our count. Right, so now we will be passing these values as a list to our this frequency list. Frequency on C location. Alright, so now we will be returning our response of top k values. How we will do that? We will just create our response array. We will be passing our values to this array. So for I and range length, actually these values are stored in this frequency, and we will be returning, let me copy this, and it will start from the top, like it will be decreasing the range. This default function take 3 parameters. First, from where it should take start, second, where it should go, and third, the increment and decrement. I'm here writing -1, that our this loop will decrement from this location to this 0, right? After that we will be passing through each location like this for n and length of frequency at I location, and from this I we will appending value to our response.append this number. Also check if this length of response is equal to k. If yes, then return our response. Let's run it. Oh well, we should not put range right here, so that's why the error is occurring. Okay, let's check it out again. Well, it worked. So this is a bit complex and lengthy problem, but you should take care of the explanation and also the dictionary and working with dictionary. So that's why it was a bit lengthy, but don't worry, this is the optimal solution. You can have it. So thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Bye bye.